Before setting up triple displays, verify your laptop supports DisplayPort Alt mode via USB-C or Thunderbolt connectivity. This is essential for multi-monitor functionality through a docking station. Dell offers several docking stations that support triple displays. The WD-19TBS and WD-22TB4 use Thunderbolt technology to support up to three 4K displays at 60 Hz, while the D6000 uses DisplayLink technology for universal compatibility. Connect your monitors using DisplayPort or HDMI cables. For optimal performance, use native DisplayPort connections for your primary displays and reserve DisplayLink connections for the third monitor when using the D6000. Before configuring displays, ensure your graphics drivers and docking station firmware are up to date. This prevents common display detection issues and ensures optimal performance across all three monitors. Once connected, configure your display settings in Windows. Access display settings, arrange your monitors in the correct physical order, and set them to extend your desktop across all three screens for maximum productivity. Your triple monitor setup is now complete. You should have three extended displays providing expanded workspace for enhanced productivity and multitasking capabilities. When troubleshooting triple monitor setups, the first step is ensuring your drivers are up to date. Graphics drivers are critical for proper display detection and performance. If displays are not being detected properly, Windows Display Settings provide tools to identify and configure your monitors. Ensure all connections are secure and refresh rates are properly matched. For optimal performance, disable hardware acceleration in non-essential applications. This reduces GPU load and prevents conflicts that can cause display issues or poor performance. Proper ergonomic positioning is crucial for comfort and productivity. Position your center monitor directly in front of you at eye level, with side monitors angled 15 to 30 degrees inward. Dell Display Manager provides powerful tools for window management and display organization. Use the Easy Arrange feature to create custom layouts that maximize your productivity across all three monitors. If you're using DisplayLink technology for additional monitors, ensure the DisplayLink drivers are properly installed and configured. This software-based solution requires specific setup steps for optimal performance. For accurate colors across all displays, use color management tools to calibrate each monitor. This ensures consistent color reproduction and reduces eye strain during extended use. Following these troubleshooting and optimization steps will ensure your triple monitor setup runs smoothly and efficiently. Regular maintenance of drivers and proper configuration will provide the best experience for productivity and comfort.